Hello guys and welcome back to EV with Rafiq. So today we will be going to learn how to connect this hub motor to the controller and the battery pack. How are the connections done? We will be going to learn all of this today. And if you haven't seen the previous video where we dismantled and painted the bicycle, go check that out. Now, starting up. When we get a hub motor like this one, we'll be having connection pins like this. Okay? We'll be having these 3 wires and these 5 wires over here. Sometimes you may get this socket, but sometimes you won't get it. So if you don't get it, just see like this. To connect this will be for this one. Okay, see, wiring should be same. Whatever we do the connection for this and this should match. Okay, it's like red and black in the top and yellow, green, blue. So it's similar. See, red and black in the top, yellow, green and blue. Okay, so like that we have to do. So first off, take this and connect this. This is connected, right? Good. Next thing, in this is a motor controller. Okay, this we have is 48 volt for 48 volt and 36 volt also. It supports 15 amps of current, and this is a motor controller which we are using for our. So first off, connect this. If you don't have connector, remember, black wire to black wire, red wire to red wire, then in the bottom, yellow wire to yellow wire, green wire to green wire and blue wire to blue wire. Okay, so this part is done. Good. Now next part is we have these 3 wires. As you can see, this is a green, this is blue, this is yellow. So these 3 will be connecting to all of the 3 whichever you can see here, green, yellow and blue. Okay, it's simply color coded, guys. You don't need to worry about anything over here. Let me split this properly for you. Okay, yeah, so here first off, let's take the blue and let's connect the blue. Okay, we will do a solid connection later, but for now I'm showing you this. Okay, next, so yellow to yellow, see, yellow to yellow. Okay, later we will be doing a hard connection, like direct tight fitting connections. For now, temporary connections are these. So next is green to green. Simple? Yes, right. We connected this. So here our motor part is connected. So what did we do? We went to this clip straight up. If you have a clip, direct connected, or else color matching, black to black, red to red, like that we do a current matching. Here also similar. We will be using blue to blue, yellow to yellow, green to green. Okay, this part is done. For now, be careful that data don't touch. Okay, in our controller, this is a negative, this is a positive. Okay, fine. Here, these 2, like the purple and black are for our brakes. Okay, are for our brake. So this is a brake lever. You'll get a brake lever like this, and you'll have 2 pins only. And the 2 pins, 1 pin will go like this to this. Okay, simple. And this one for the other brake lever, which we have over here. Okay, this goes like this into this. Now we connected the motor, we connected the brake levers, right? Brake levers, fine. Positive, negative is separate still. Okay, good. Now we have is our accelerator. I'm using this digital accelerator in this key one. Okay, here we'll be having a meter, and this is accelerator. For this we have this cable and these 2 wires. Okay, so let me place it in a way that you can see everything. Let me place this here. Let the cables come over here. Let this come over here. Okay, cool. Now the motor is over here. Now to this one, okay, it's how many wires it's having? It's having 3 wires. So find one with 3 wires. Yes, you can find it easily. It will be over here only. See, this one. Okay, it has red, black and green, but this controller has red, black and blue. Just check that out. Okay, now let's connect it. See, red to red, black to black, blue is going to green. That's it. Not a problem, guys. This is connected. Fine. Now what about these 2? Now what are we going to do with these 2? What we'll be doing to do is, one will go to this one. Okay, this will go to this. Fine, because these yellow and white are the for this power, to give this power, these are those. Okay, and this one will be directly connecting it to positive of our battery pack. Simply, okay, simple. Maybe we connecting directly to the positive, and negative is negative. Simple. And you may be wondering why, Rafiq, all of are these, like all of these. So some wires are for the display, for temperature, and some are for other things, okay, for other things. We don't have a display right now, so this is a simple thing. Straight up, first motor goes to this, color matching, and blue to blue, yellow to yellow, black to green to green. Next, accelerator cable clip, we do the clipping. Next is for the power for this LED, for this screen, we give it for the red over this white, and yellow to the power. Okay. Next are the cables, brake levers. To brake levers, it's simple, same color one. See, black and purple, similar, right? Simple, connect to them. Okay, done. Now positive to this, negative to this, to the battery pack here. So here we'll be using this battery pack from Shriram Motors. You remember from a previous video? Yes, we went to this store. From them we got a battery pack of 48 volts 10 Ah, and these are the old recycled lithium laptop batteries. The lithium ion batteries from the old laptop. Yes, they are those only. I'm not lying. It's true. The 10 Ah, I'm not sure that I'll be getting 10 Ah. I'll be getting very less than that because the batteries have capacities of different ranging and the resistance is different. So I can't guarantee. Mostly more than 6 or 7 I'll be getting. And you can see he didn't write the service date also. So that is why, because these are the old laptop batteries. So he can't give me a guarantee that they'll give me, like he can service them. So it's just for me, okay? You can also get it done by them. So this battery pack we'll be using, guys, okay? I'll be placing this battery pack over here. Simple. So this is positive, red is positive, green is negative in this. So I'm just using this wire to connect this positive and negative to this because this is far and I can't touch this. So simple, right? So positive to positive, I'm connecting this positive power supply to here. 1 second. This positive power supply to this, and this positive, okay, this positive, as you can see, just give me a second. I'm taking a clipper and just clipping it off a bit. Okay, now take the wire positive to positive, okay, simple, be careful. Next, this positive, okay, we'll go to this one. Here yellow is like for this one, remembered? Yes, yellow is for this one. So we'll be connecting this to this, okay. Later we'll be making all the hard connections, but for now we are just doing the temporary connections. Simple, okay. Now for negative, here we have green for negative, I'm removing the tape, and for the negative we'll be connecting negative. Okay, so now we connected the positive, right? We just need to connect the negative. Here we have the negative from a battery pack. If you can see, the negative is here to this cable, okay, to this wire, and I connected the negative. See, I connected the negative over here. Now the moment of truth, guys. The motor, you may be wondering, where is the motor? Motor is with my brother. He is holding the motor. Careful, okay, hold it straight, Chotu. Now this is a key. Moment of truth, on. It's turned on, right? It's full in power, okay. Now it's okay, it's full power, as you can see over here. Now this motor should rotate when I give the throttle. See, it's rotating, okay, got it? It's rotating. Down, throttle, it's rotating, okay. Now what if I give the brakes while rotating, right? So let me hold this like this. It's rotating fast. I hit the brake, it stopped. Now brakes are on. You guys can see brakes are on. I'm giving the throttle. It's not moving, okay. I leave the brake, careful, yeah, I leave the brake, it's moving, okay, simple. This is a very loose connection, that's why I did. I'm sorry, I just turned it off. Simple, Yeah, let me remove the positive and negative so that I can explain to you properly again. Okay, like thank you Chotu. Yes. So as you saw, we just did few connections, simple connections, easy connections. With easy connections, we could connect all of these. And this same setup and same circuitry we'll be going to connect to our bicycle to make it run. Okay, and if you want this circuit diagram, then comment down below that you need a circuit diagram. I'll be posting it if on your request only. Okay, so simple again. I'll be explaining again for the last time. Watch it out. So this cable comes from the motor. You get this pin. If you get this socket, if you don't get this socket, then see, top is red and black. Here we have red and black. Clear? Next to the bottom we have black, yellow, green and blue. Then yellow, green and blue. This is connected. Simple, right? Now next, through the motor we get other three cables. For this, the blue goes to blue, yellow goes to yellow, green goes to green. Okay? Simple. This is done. Now let's come for the brake levers. Brake levers, you saw it is black and purple. Similar to, you'll have two cables of same color. See this two. So these two go for the black for the brake lever. Okay, done. Next for the accelerator. Accelerator, we have a digital accelerator. That is why we got, where is the accelerator? Yeah, that is why we got extra white and yellow cable. These two cables are extra because of a meter over here only. So this normal, the black, red and yellow, black, red and green goes to black, red and blue. Simple. Next, this two, the red goes to the white over here, and this yellow goes to the power cable, to the power positive. Okay, to the positive of this. Simple. Right, this is a power negative from the battery I took. This extra wire. So these are our positive and negative. Okay, and from a battery, you can see. Okay, this is a 48 volt 10 Ah battery, positive, negative, and this is a charging port, a need charging port. Okay, done. So you just saw how to connect this in a simple steps. It's very easy guys, not a problem at all. So in this connection only we are going to use for our main cycle. So like this only we are going to connect, and we are going to make our electric bicycle work. And not only electric bicycle, for any connection, like any electric vehicle connecting kit, this is how you connect. Okay, it's very easy and simple to done. And don't forget to subscribe the channel and follow all the series of making of electric bicycle, because that is a very important and very easy series, because in that series I'm not even converting, I'm even restoring it. So you'll be even learning how to restore and to convert. So it will be an add-on for you guys. So go subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching.